Disney's Monkey King, a monkey so magical that he wasn't born from a mother monkey, but hatched from a stone egg that started to shiver and shake and shiver and shake. And there was this monkey inside. A monkey who could run, jump, twirl, do everything a little faster and quicker, faster. And he was stronger than the other monkeys. So soon he was king of all monkeys on earth. And lived a great life, eating mangoes all day. Oh, sorry. And training his followers in the ways of wushu so that they could protect themselves against demons. But a monkey so quick and so restless needed more, and the monkey began to travel the earth, looking for new things to learn. Especially he wanted to learn to live forever. He met a wonderful sage who taught him all kinds of things, taught him to fly, to ride through the clouds, another great thing, a kind of shape-shifting. The Monkey King learned to transform his body into 72 different creatures. Yeah. So Monkey has this amazing magical weapon, a Jingu Bong. He went to the Dragon King under the sea and kind of tricked him and ran off with it. But it's Monkey's very favorite thing. It stays right behind his ear when it's made tiny. And then Monkey yells, "Switch!" And the weapon is bigger. Switch! And it's gone.